30 minutes this Sunday making sure your legacy plan is current and complete. So here's your step-by-step review. Your Sunday estate planning audit includes minutes 1 through 5, document location check. Do you know where your will and trust are located? Does someone else know where to find them? Are they in a fireproof safe or safety deposit box? Do you have copies in accessible locations? Minutes 6 through 10, named persons review. Is your executor still alive and willing to serve? Are healthcare agents current? Are guardians for minor grandchildren appropriate? Are trustees and successor trustees valid? Minutes 11 through 15, beneficiary verification. This is so critical. Pull out your last beneficiary review or start one now. List all the accounts with beneficiaries, note when each one was last confirmed, and flag any that need updating. You simply call the company, ask for a beneficiary change form, and submit a new one. Minutes 16 through 20, life changes assessment. Since your last estate plan update, have you gotten married or divorced, had children or grandchildren born or died, experienced any other deaths in the family, moved to a new state, acquired or sold major assets, had health changes? Minutes 21 to 25, digital estate check. Is your password manager updated? Have you added emergency access contacts? Are there new online accounts and are they documented? And have you specified your wishes for the distribution of your digital assets? Minutes 26 through 30, action items, create your to-do list. What needs updating immediately? What conversations need to happen? What attorney appointments might be scheduled? And what information is necessary to be gathered? The monthly quick check is, even if you do a full review quarterly, spend 5 minutes each month asking, any major life changes this month? Any new accounts or assets to document? Any relationships changed requiring updates? The quarterly deep dive includes every 3 months, you're going to review all the beneficiary designations, digital asset inventory, contact information for all named persons, assignment of plans with your current wishes. They might have changed. And the annual professional review. Once a year, meet with your estate planning attorney, review the entire estate plan, update for law changes. If they are a good attorney, they will be contacting you with law changes. And you're going to adjust for any life changes. You're going to ensure that your documents still reflect your wishes. Here's a few signs that you might need some immediate attention. You can't find your estate planning documents. The executor or agent has died or is now unable to serve. You've had major life changes in the past year. Your plan is over 5 years old. You've moved to a different state. The beneficiaries are outdated. Here's a peace of mind metric. Can you honestly say that if something happened to you tomorrow, your family would know exactly what to do and how to access everything? If not, your Sunday planning session just became all the more important. What's one estate planning task you can tackle this Sunday? I'm Deborah Morrison, and I'd love for you to share that commitment below. Accountability helps us all follow through, so let's help each other.